And I've been directed by the President to act and to fix it. And that is what we will do. This is the true justice that we can all give, that government can give to the 12 people who have died these past few days, and to all others who have also died or have been injured by road accidents in the past. Because the system is broken. Kami po, nandito kami sa gobyerno. Nandito ang LTO, nandito ang LTFRB, nandito ang DOTR. It's broken. We have to admit that. We have to fix it. And yun po ang totoong hustisya na ibibigay natin sa mga pamilyang namataya. Today, I will sign a department order ordering mandatory drug testing for all drivers of public conveyance vehicles. Ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng PUV driver ay kailangan mag-mandatory drug test. The second, I have asked LTFRB and LTO to revise the maximum number of hours, consecutive hours na magmamaneho ang mga driver. Currently, it is 6 hours. I am asking them to reduce it to 4. This is consistent with other countries like the European Union and some countries in Asia like Vietnam, which is 4 hours, consecutive hours. I am asking the LTO, together with the LTFRB, to really make roadworthiness checks real. What do I mean by that? Kasi wag na tayong maglokohan. Alam naman natin na ang roadworthiness checks dito sa atin, hindi naman yan totoo eh. Hindi naman talaga na check eh. Pasintabi na po kay Chairman Guadis at kay LTO Chief. Pero alam naman natin lahat yan. Alam natin lahat yan. Hindi naman talaga na check ang mga bus, ang mga jeep. Hindi naman yan talaga na check ng tama eh. Kaya ang daming nagfe-fail ang brakes, ang daming. So ngayon, hindi na pwede yan. Similar to the mandatory drug testing, I have asked the LTO and LTFRB to come up with very strict and enforceable and regular roadworthiness checks, similar to the standards of other countries. Hindi naman tayo kaya mag-reinvent na ng mga proseso. Nandiyan na yan eh. Tignan na natin ang mga kapitbahay natin eh, na bansa eh. Nandiyan naman yan eh. Pero ang importante doon, enforceable.